When was the pilot phase completed?
Madam Chair, January.
You are under oath. When was the pilot phase completed? See you.
Hey.
Well, like the DJ said,
respectfully, see you. This is national television, and you don't say what you don't know, especially when you know it is not the right thing you are telling us.
Okay,
so I'm asking you, when was the pilot phase completed? Respectfully.
Okay, Madam Chair, there was a directive from
If
government.
you don't know the exact dates, you can step it down and provide us with the exact dates later on. Because you are under oath. You have sworn to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Like that, we'll go and cross-check and let you know exactly when we started.
Dr. You are on something. Respectfully, if the CEO will allow you to continue and then tell us.
Asem penny po. Enipa na pen ho asem. You see other sa parliament one e why she obey ya santo apa eno makohia no. Just what the question e bo ne ho abo kula ntumi nyia no. Na mibuso e bia na brofo na omu ka ne ho no nso so e confuse o ma de no mu nka twi na obia ntumi nka na koma so ade because I say papa you to I confuse. I am confused. Madam Chair, ade say what the jatana any vim voice ebuso mu questions na no mu ehun popo me de ka me kwanko mu nkatwi no mu ho ensa no mu